In this code, we are printing counting started. Then we have a function that counts till a number n we'll provide in this function, and then we have a line to print. Let's give it a number that is 5. Now our first line gets printed, the counting gets finished, and our second line gets printed. Now let's give it a relatively bigger number to count. Again, the first line will be printed, counting will be finished, and the second line will be printed. The problem arises when we have a much more bigger number. Now we can see the second task is blocked because of this counting. It's logged just now after the counting is finished. If I increase one more zero in our counting number, the second line is taking too much time to print, and I might even need to terminate the program, and the second line remains blocked. This is a common problem that is encountered while using synchronous JavaScript.